Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Amritlal Vithaldas Thakkar. He was born on 29th of November 1869 in a Vaishnav family of Bhavnagar in Saurashtra region of Gujarat state. He passed his matriculation exam from Bhavnagar High School. He obtained degree in civil engineering from Pune Engineering College. He worked as an engineer in Porbandar and subsequently went out of India for laying the first railway track in Uganda. Throughout his life, he was continuously dedicated for the upliftment of tribal and Adivasi community. He was a member of Constituent Assembly and also was appointed as chairman of the excluded and partially excluded areas of Assam Committee. He spoke on various issues but mainly on the issues of Adivasis and also how Adivasis wanted prohibition of liquor. He explained that in Constitution. Let's see that. 24th of November 1948, quote, there is another matter. All Adivasis do not want to drink. They want prohibition. I am talking of the bills in Gujarat, in Maharashtra, in West Khandesh and in the central provinces. I am talking of Gonds also of central province. I have asked hundreds and thousands of them whether they want to drink or whether they want prohibition. Their decided answer to me has been, Thakkar, you are talking of prohibition. You are talking of doing away with drinks. You are still asking for our opinion. For God's sake, have the liquor shop closed and then ask us. To give a concrete fact about the bills of Panchmalas, amongst whom I have worked for 27 years, even the shops set up by the government of the day had to be closed because of voluntary abstention of bills from drinking. The shops went dry of their own accord. Nobody would visit the shops because bills have taken vows not to drink and not to become victims to the liquor shops. So this was the thing which he had presented on behalf of the Adivasis, bills and tribal areas, that they wanted prohibition. He was lovingly called as Thakkar Bappa, and there is a particular area in Mumbai which is called as Thakkar Bappa Colony. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.